Beautiful lakefront coastal cottage in McSwain Subdivision, Foley. This charming home boasts a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, featuring a spacious main living area with vaulted ceilings. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, washer, and dryer included. Both bathrooms showcase elegant granite countertops, while the master bath includes a relaxing garden tub. Step outside to your screened-covered patio and savor the picturesque lake view. This property offers convenience to shopping, schools, restaurants, medical care facilities, and is only minutes away from the beach. Embrace the serene coastal lifestyle in this delightful home. Furnishings are negotiable. Built Gold Fortified.